Welcome to Fishing in Europe with Robin and Elfi. We have a blockbuster of a program for you today. We'll be fishing in Germany.
Hi, welcome to Fishing in Europe. Fishing in Europe is quite different than fishing in the United States. Not only are the fish species different, but also the laws and license requirements. Schooling is required to obtain a fishing or boating license, and a written test must be passed for both. In Germany, a federal fishing license is needed, plus licenses for the different waters you want to fish in. 99% of the fishermen in Germany belong to a local fishing club. These different fishing clubs are responsible for stocking fish in their club waters, because the state normally does not stock fish in any water. I have fished for 57 years and have fished and seen some many wonderful places in California, Nevada, Colorado, Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Together, Elfi and I have fished in Sweden, Denmark, France, Norway, Austria, Hungary, Holland, Switzerland, and of course, in Germany. Like fishing anywhere in the world, some days we catch a lot of really nice fish, and other days we come up empty. In the following series of DVDs, we will be sharing many of these places with you, along with tips and tricks the local people use to put that special fish in the frying pan. So stay with us and see how it works in Europe. Hetsch, the German word for pike. It is the second largest freshwater fish in Europe. This predator can reach record lengths of 5 feet and weights of up to 40 pounds. When you hook one of these monsters, you know you got something on your hook. Whether you use a streamer, spoon, wobbler, spinnerbait, plastic fish, or a real bait fish, you cannot choose one that is too big. The old saying, the bigger the bait, the bigger the fish, really applies to the pike. The pike has very sharp teeth, and equally sharp are their gills. I've seen people land pike by gripping them in the gill cavity, but there must be a trick to this. I tried it once and ended up with a very bloody hand. Whether small or large, they are a real game fish and will give you a nice fight and great memories. Pike are native to almost all of Europe and range to the east well into Russia. In Germany, the Christmas turkey is replaced by a nice-sized pike or a nice fat carp. When you can't catch your own, the fish markets sell them for a nice price. Sometimes they're even alive in large aquariums, and you can pick out your own. But we aren't interested in buying fish. We want to catch them. They are in the high alpine lakes and rivers. Pike are found in the major rivers like the Rhine, Ems, Elbe, and the Oder, just to name a few. They are also found in small rivers that flow through the flatlands in the coastal region. Fishing clubs stock them in small ponds and large lakes. These monsters are found in the Baltic Sea region, which is really a large freshwater body, slightly mixed with salt water from the North Sea. Here, 4 to 5 foot monsters are caught in the Greifswalder Boden, or bay, by the island named Rügen.